Our Neoprene Deluxe quality seat cushions will give your vehicle's interior a bold, stylish look and a relaxed, comfortable feel. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. You will notice the backside of each cover has an elastic strap that stretches from one side to the other. There are also two butterfly discs attached to the elastic loops in the center, and a metal clip attached to a loop at the bottom. More on that later. Begin by using the elastic strap around the back side of the cover and slipping it over the headrest and around the back of the bucket seat. Then, use the slit opening at the top of the cover, stretch the fabric over the headrest, and then around the bucket seat. Now, tuck the fabric under the headrest and fasten together with the hook and loop adhesive sides. Next, insert the butterfly discs into the crevice of the seat bottom to securely lock the fabric in place on the back side. Then stretch the bottom of the cushion around the seat bottom and tuck in the fabric. For a more secure, snug fit, use the metal clip to attach to the underside of the seat. And finally, slip the headrest covers over the headrests. It's that simple. Now you can enjoy the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom fit deluxe quality seat covers.